Hello everyone. I'm doing the third question of exercise 9.1 from the NCERT book for class 10th. A contractor plans to install two slides for the children to play in the park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meters and is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to the ground. Whereas for the elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meters and inclined at an angle of 60 degrees to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? So let us see the figure first of all. Now I have the two slides made, the one for the younger children at an angle of 30 degrees and one for the elder children at an angle of 60 degrees. The height of the first slide for the younger children is 1.5 meters, whereas the slide for the elder children is at a height of 3 meters. So what all is given, I have written that. I take this slide length in the first case to be as x meter, and whereas the slide for the elder children, I take its length to be as y meters. I write what all angles are given to me. Now let us take up the triangles one by one. In the right triangle FAE, this is the right triangle FAE. What is the ratio that will connect FA and FE? This is the perpendicular, this is the hypotenuse. The opposite side upon hypotenuse is what? It is sine theta. So I take sine 30. Sine 30 is equal to AF upon FE. So I get sine 30 is how much? Sine 30 is 1 upon 2. So I get 1 upon 2 is equal to 1.5 upon x, which gives me x is equal to 3 meters. So I get the value of the length of the first slide. Let me take up the second triangle. And in the second triangle, let me find out the length of the slide y. In CBD triangle, if I take this angle as 60 degrees, the side BC is the side opposite to it, and I want to find out the hypotenuse. So the side connecting the perpendicular side to the hypotenuse is once again sine theta. So I take sine 60. Sine 60 will be equal to BC upon DC. And sine 60 is what? It is root 3 upon 2. So root 3 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon y. And from this, I get y is equal to 6 upon root 3. Again, I cannot leave the answer with an irrational denominator, so I'll have to rationalize it. I multiply and divide it by root 3. And what do I get? I get 6 upon 3 into root 3, which is equal to 2 root 3 meters. So I have got the length of the second slide also. So the length of the slide in the first case is 3 meters, whereas the length of the slide in the second case, that is the slide for the elder children, should be 2 root 3 meters. So I hope you have understood the question. Thank you so much.